This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
While you're waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps, if necessary. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes and the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. The gauge should slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrode slightly until the proper gap is obtained. If the side electrode is not exactly over the center electrode, bend it with the adjuster until it is. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable bolt, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Remove the spark plug wire from one spark plug. Pull only on the boot end of the wire. Do not pull on the wire itself. A special plug wire removal tool is available for separating the wire boots from the spark plugs, but it isn't absolutely necessary. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug hole. The idea here is to eliminate the possibility of debris falling into the cylinder as the spark plug is removed. Place a spark plug socket and extension over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it counterclockwise. Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new plug to facilitate future removal. Thread one of the new spark plugs into the hole until you can no longer turn it with your fingers. It's a good idea to slip a short length of rubber hose over the end of the plug to use as a tool to thread it into place, particularly if the cylinder head is made of aluminum. The hose will grip the plug well enough to turn it, but it will start to flip if the plug begins to cross-thread in the hole. This will prevent damaged threads and the accompanying repair costs. Tighten the spark plug to the specified torque setting. Making sure the spark plug wires are in good condition, attach the plug wire to the new spark plug, again using a twisting motion on the boot, until it is seated on the spark plug. Repeat the procedure for the remaining spark plugs, replacing them one at a time to prevent mixing up the spark plug wires. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the bolts securely.